And of course, the open decks are slippery and wet, so please take extra care while you are walking on the open decks, as there also might be a very strong wind. I hope that you will enjoy this morning, and thank you. See you all around.
So it's not as cold as I thought it'd be, but I'm on the 9th deck of the ship. I'm on the Enchantment of the Seas. It's a Royal Caribbean cruise line. And the pool deck is basically vacant. There's nobody up here. I'll show you the pool. The pool is just going back and forth. So it's got a lot of wave action, and you can see the seas really rough, but it's fun. I like it. It's a nice experience. It's like being on one of those Alaskan crabber shows. I think we're passing by the Carolinas right now. Or Georgia, who knows?
The last two were in pretty good roll. They were behind us. Oh, yeah. Beautiful.